Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to look at the stock of DocuSign Inc. So all those stocks which has been listed in Nasdaq or tech related stock has been beaten down very sharply in the past 2 or 3 days, and it is quite obvious so because after the kind of rise these stocks have seen over a period of 1.5 year or probably in the past couple of days, it's truly amazing because if you look at this stock, the rally has started since late 2018 till now, 2 3 days ago, and stock has risen over 724 odd percent. So this kind of rise in a span of 2 years um, is not normal. Okay, and let's keep it that way. And we have seen the corrections very sharp on the downside, and in a span of 2 or 3 days the stock has corrected by 26%. So this is not a normal correction, and uh, we can't say it this is abnormal correction either, because the kind of rise these stocks uh, went through are phenomenal. So you have to see these kind of downsides as well. Okay, now looking at these stocks, so this was your previous trend, right? And let me just draw some important support and resistance line which could show you the way either on the upside or on the downside, and so that we can find out some important support and resistance level. Nope, this is pretty high. We can do here somewhere like this. Yes. Okay, so now you have some ranges to work with, and currently you have this range on the downside. So your current support level or immediate support level will come at around $195. Okay, so this is the thing which you need to look at, and this is something like this. So this kind of gramophone pattern on the upside does increase volatility, and it is a negative pattern if it is formed on the upper side of the range. So technically it's a negative sign, and if 195 breaks, then you have your next support level at $168. So these are the two things which you need to taken care of. And on the upside, if you have your resistance or level at 250 54 or dollars on the upside, and on the downside 194.5 and then 168. One more support level, if in unforeseen or circumstances, if the stock hits on the downside, then we have 143 as a support level as well. So currently we should work with three support levels and one resistance level on the upside, 154, and if it breaks 154 on the upside, then we have 291, which was your previous high. So we are not going to go beyond 291 unless the stock uh, makes a breakout above 291 292 and sustain over that level. So once that happens, then we will go and work with that number, but till then we are working with the number which is available with the stock. So the kind of rise we have does lead to some kind of volatility which we can see in the entire index, but it is not that the big rally has over. This is just a short term phenomena, and we know that how capitalist US market is, and when the central bank is saying we will do whatever it takes to support the economy. So directly or indirectly they are saying that we should support the stocks, and we will make sure that it shouldn't go down beyond a certain level, and if it does, we will use all the tools and mechanism we had to support it. So that's the underlying thing which one should understand. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.